Assalamu alaikum and good day to all. Welcome to another interesting topic in Introduction to Microbiology. Today I'm going to share with you all about a bacteria from genus Chlamydia. Before I begin, let's look at the learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, you must be able to discuss the characteristics, pathogenicity, transmission, and prevention of chlamydia. In this slide, we can observe how chlamydia is classified under the bacterial kingdom. We will be looking into three species, namely Chlamydia trachomatis, Chlamydophila psittaci, and Chlamydophila pneumoniae, which are important in public health. Let's move on to look at the basic criteria of these bacteria. As we can see here, chlamydia is a prokaryote. I believe you still remember how to differentiate between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. It is a gram-negative bacteria. It has a coccoid shape. Chlamydia, like other bacteria, reproduces through binary fission. It depends on other living body for nutrition and reproduction, which makes it an obligatory intracellular parasite. In this slide, we can observe the life cycle of chlamydia. Chlamydia's spreading capability relies not upon its own force, but its need to invade host nutrients. The alimentary body, or EB in short, will try to enter the first cell he finds on the way. The cell automatically detects the alimentary body and will try to eat it to prevent its existence. Once the EB is inside the cell, it will start repelling away the lysosome in the cell. In a matter of hours, the main alimentary body will start replicating to form many reticulate bodies, in short RB. Now the core of the invaded cell becomes smaller as EBs and RBs increase. Exocytosis or lysis takes place where the invaded cell is ruptured into many pieces. Now both EB and RB will try infesting adjacent cells to prevail on the system, repeating the cycle. You may also follow the given link to watch videos regarding life cycle of chlamydia. Let us now look at the public health importance of the three species of chlamydia. Chlamydia trachomatis, which can cause urogenital infections, trachoma conjunctivitis, pneumonia, and lymphogranuloma venerum, in short LGV. Chlamydophilia pneumonia, which can cause bronchitis, sinusitis, pneumonia, and possibly atherosclerosis. And finally, Chlamydophila psittaci, which can cause pneumonia, or the disease is known as psittacosis. The following slide will tell us more important details of these bacteria. So let me explain briefly about the table, which uh, consists of the three species of chlamydia. Okay, Chlamydia trachomatis, the normal host for it is humans. Sometimes it is also related to sexually transmitted infections. The sign and symptoms basically is genital pain, reddish of the eye, especially the white eye, and also increased bleeding between periods. Okay, to prevent these infections from Chlamydia trachomatis, we use the health and sex education approach to bring down the cases as well as to prevent recurrence of these infections. Chlamydophila pneumonia also uses the human as host. It is more of an airborne droplet, okay, which means the disease can spread by coughing and sneezing. Signs and symptoms of infections from this bacteria is more like a flu symptoms. So basically your prevention will be to follow certain procedures like cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Put your used tissue in the waste basket. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Okay. These prevention procedures are more or less like what the SOP is for COVID-19. And finally, let us look at Chlamydophila psittaci. In this species uses birds as its host. And the disease it spreads in humans is known as psittacosis and also ornithosis. The sign and symptoms for this infection is fever and chills, headache, muscle aches, as well as dry cough. The key to the prevention of this infection is to avoid contact with birds. Can you match the species to its correct public health outcome? Are your answers same with me? Well done. I will leave you all with further references which can assist you to understand more about chlamydia. Till we meet again, stay safe everyone. Bye.